What up, YouTube? Today, I'm starting off with the new lavalier mic from Hollyland Lark C1. My previous mic was some cheapo brand from Amazon, and the audio quality was really, really bad. It was hard on the ear. So today we're testing out this Hollyland microphone. Let's see how it goes.
This is the Milwaukee M12 12-volt lithium-ion cordless electric inflator, currently retailing at about $130, boasting a 58-second car tire top-off from 28 to 35 psi. Is this thing worth the high price? Let's see. Now, here we have the AstroAI Tire Inflator, currently retailing at about $32, but you can find this for cheaper. Will this match up the Milwaukee, and is this worth a quarter of the price? Let's put these two head to head and see how they do.
Alright guys, today we're testing out these two tire inflators. One costs $100, the other one costs a quarter of that. We'll see which one is better, the direct plug-in through cigarette lighter or the interchangeable rechargeable batteries with Milwaukee. We'll see how many charges it'll take to do one tire fill up, and we'll see how fast each one pumps, around 5 psi. Today it's cold, so my tire pressure dropped overnight, so we'll see which one does the job fast.
Alright, I'm at the Tacoma right now. I deflated my tire down to 24. OEM spec is 29. So I got my stopwatch here. Let's see how long it takes to inflate it up to 29. Ready, set. Alright, it took about 2 minutes to pump 5 psi with the Milwaukee. Let's test out the AstroAI. Oh, yes, forgot. I just plugged in a new battery, pumping 5 psi. Took out about half the battery life, so I highly recommend getting those extended charge M12s. Because yeah, that's pretty bad. Alright, we're here with the AstroAI. Got it plugged in, deflated my tire down to 24. Stopwatch ready. Let's set this to 29. Alright, got my stopwatch ready. Put this thing down and see if you can see this over here. Yeah, right now it's at 24.5. Deflate this a little bit more. Okay, back to 24. Whoops, get my stopwatch ready. On your mark, get set, go. Whoops. All right, cut again. Let's start all over. It's back at 24. My stopwatch ready. On your mark, get set, go. Alright, I was a little bit slow on the timer, so I'd say 1.55, 1 minute and 55 seconds. So yeah, this thing is 5 seconds faster than the Milwaukee.
Now, is this Milwaukee M12 worth it? Considering it's 3 times the price, I would not think so. The only benefits to this Milwaukee M12 is the cordless capabilities, but considering almost all tire inflators these days come with extra long
cigarette lighter cables. You know, having a cordless tire inflator, it's not really necessary. Considering the horrible battery life, taking out half the battery with just one top off, and requiring more batteries on hand in order to refill all 4 tires, I would not recommend the Milwaukee M12. There are higher battery tiered Milwaukees out there with the M18. I have yet to test that, but those are considerably more expensive. So I would definitely recommend getting the smaller tier, as they do the job even better than the Milwaukee M12. Thank you so much for watching.